Hello, fellow YouTubers. Today I would like to show you how to flash loan PancakeSwap. To do this, PancakeSwap is on Polygon, so you have to make sure you have your MetaMask extension installed, and it's connected, of course, to the Polygon network. And you want to have at least one Matic in there and at least zero point zero 0.05 quick in there. So after you make sure you have that on, you're going to want to go to remix.ethereum.org. This is where you're going to launch the contract on the Polygon network to do the flash loan. You're going to, when it first loads, it's going to come to the file explorer. You have a little guy right here. Create a new file, and we're going to call this file quick swap flash dot sol. It has to end in .sol. And I'm going to actually just paste the code in here. I'll post a link to the code. I'll slowly scroll up so you can verify that the link matches the code that I have in here. And that's just in case someone took my video, copied it, and put a different link into some other code, some malicious codes. You want to make sure that the code matches the link that you just went to in the description of this video. Okay, that should be enough to make sure you have the right code in there. And then from here, from the file explorer, you can go down to here to the compiler, and the version we're running the contract is 0.5.17. So we're going to have to change the compiler to that. And right there. And then we're going to hit on compile. And if everything goes right, you'll get this little green check mark thing here. Then we're going to go over to deploy and run. And we're in the environment, we're going to go to inject web3. And you should be connected to the correct address. I'm connected to the right one, okay. And you want to make sure yours is connected to the right one. Most likely it will be, depending on how many addresses you have in MetaMask. And for the contract, which says contract, we're going to click here, and we're going to go to Flash Loan Quick Swap. And we're going to go to Deploy. And this will pop up here to launch your contract. We're going to go to Confirm. And it launched successfully. So we're going to go now. This will appear down here in deployed contracts. Let me get rid of that. Okay. Deployed contracts. You'll have, this is your flash loan contract, or this one is actually my flash loan contract, because whoever launches this contract will have control over the contract. So when you launch yours, it'll come down here where it says deploy contracts. And that'll be your contract down here. We're going to have an action button. First, before we go to action, we're going to have to copy this right here. We're going to have to send. This is where we're going to need the quick and the matic. Okay, so we're going to go to assets. First, we're going to send the quick over to our contract. And to get this, you have to use this little copy function, and that is your contract code. And we're going to send 0.5 over to our contract. Confirm. I have to wait for that to complete. Okay, now that go through. Yep, that's completed. We want to make sure it completes. And we're going to go to, now we can go over here and go to action. Now we're actually going to run the flash loan. Oh wait, I skipped a step here. First, we need to go to, we actually need to send it some matic too. So let's go copy here. Copy the flash loan contract. And we're going to send it some matic over there. Go send. Needs enough for the gas for it. So we're going to go 0.15 matic, we're going to send it. And we have to wait for that to complete. And once that completes, we can run the action. Okay. And that hasn't taken out of there. Should be. Oh, isn't. There we go. Okay. So once you see this go down and that go down, you'll know that the transaction actually completed. So you can go ahead and run the action now, and this is going to run the flash loan contract and actually commence the flash loan. Go to confirm, and it should take a couple seconds to go through. And you should have a lot of, oh wow, look at that. I made a lot. I only put in 0.5 quick, and now I'm up to 22.34 quick. And oh my, what is, and the quick price today is 353.7. So that's 23 times that. Wow. That's amazing. I hope this helps you make some money and learn about launching smart contracts. Thank you for watching, and please leave a thumbs up and a subscribe to me for more cool videos.